James here with Spartan Storm Shield. I'm here on Jim and Lynn Chrisman's roof. We are here to do a repair to show the issues that we are coming across when doing a repair on the wind damage. As you can see here, we have our tab marked off, fracture across the neck of the shingle. I'll be working in this area, removing nails from these courses of shingles. That's what the green is, just marking off where my repair zone is. I'm going to start off by unsealing the shingles. As you can see, we have a tear here. Another tear. These shingles are not pliable without causing additional harm. Right here we have damage to the sealant strip, mat transfer. Due to this, these shingles will not seal properly. Shingle tear. Another shingle tear. All the way through the shingle. The shingles are just shredding. I'm going to highlight here the mat transfer that happened when unsealing the shingles. Again, this is going to prevent the repair from sealing properly. Now I have to lift these shingles to about 50, 60 degrees to gain enough clearance to fasten the shingle properly so that nails are not driven at an angle and they are flush to the roof deck. Now all we're going to do is just simulate rain by gently brushing the top of the shingle. As you can see, the shingles are fracturing when we are lifting to gain enough clearance to put this nail in. Again, making sure that these nail heads are flush to the roof so that there's no angles or any pathways that water can come and get inside the house. And the shingles are fracturing when we are lifting them to nail in. Also, we have the shingle rips and the tears when trying to unseal shingles. We got damage to the sealant strips. This roof is not repairable without causing further harm. That's why we are requesting for the system to be replaced. Thank you.